Hello and welcome to the Grosvenor House Hotel in the heart of London's West End, where on the 3rd of July over 1,500 of the industry's finest will gather to hear the announcement of the winners of the 2013 Motor Transport Awards. But today I'm here with Adam Stanton, Commercial Marketing Manager for Goodyear Tyres, to hear the announcement of the shortlists. The announcement of the Motor Transport Awards shortlist is always an exciting time for those putting some truly outstanding entries. As ever, the awards are judged by a panel of over 50 independent experts drawn from the industry, which is what makes them so valued by the winners. So, Adam, could you tell us, why is Goodyear sponsoring this year's Motor Transport Awards TV?
Well, Steve, Motor Transport are one of the most regarded publications in the industry, and the awards have become similarly well respected. They're the Oscars of the commercial fleet world, if you like. And Goodyear have chosen to sponsor the awards because they help to celebrate and recognise innovation, outstanding service and efficiency, factors that we too at Goodyear value highly.
Now, the moment all those companies who entered this year's awards have been waiting for, the announcement of the runners and riders who made it through the first round onto the shortlist. Over to Peter Dixon for the big announcement.
Best Use of Technology, sponsored by Bridgestone. BT Fleet for their ECU remapping initiative. DPD for the enhancement of its Predict service. Gate Ventures Group for its GV workflow reporting and communication tool. Panther Warehousing for its mobile phone app, which gives complete visibility of its operation. And Travis Perkins for seamlessly integrating Paragon planning software into their existing point-of-sale system. Customer Care Award, sponsored by Isuzu Truck UK. DPD, Panther Warehousing and Wincanton. Fleet Driver of the Year, sponsored by ProHire. Kevin Gookie of GIST, Christopher Machon of GeoAmy PECS, Alex McCallum of Royal Mail, and Stuart McDougall of John Mitchell Haulage and Warehousing. Fleet Engineer of the Year, sponsored by Hankook Tyre UK. Colin Barnes of South Tyneside Council. Mark Ellison of Tameside Metropolitan Borough Council. Gary King of Sainsbury's. And Cliff Smith of Tesco Distribution. Fleet Truck of the Year, sponsored by Texaco Lubricants. DAF LF4555. DAF XF105. The Mercedes-Benz new Actros. The Scania G-Series, and the Volvo FH. Fleet Van of the Year, sponsored by Commercial Vehicle Solutions. Fiat Ducato. Ford Transit. Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. And the Volkswagen Crafter. Haulier of the Year, sponsored by MAN Truck and Bus UK. Eldis Transport. Expect Distribution. Hargreaves Logistics and Sutton's Group. Innovation Award, sponsored by Haulage Exchange. APC Overnight and the Cartwright Group for the 15.65 metre version of APC's current 13.7 metre double-decker. Bridgestone UK for its iPad Challenge app for recording and measuring PPK performance. Eldis Transport for its take on the 15.65 metre longer trailer. JAC Commercial Services for the multifunction extra foot brake. Maple Fleet Services for the Safe Connect trailer coupling system. And Travis Perkins for the ultra-safe high interconnectivity robo-truck. Livery of the Year. 3663 Clugston Distribution Services, Debich, Palex Group, Profile Enterprises, and Treasure Transport Services. Low Carbon and Efficiency Award, sponsored by Key Fuels, Arla Foods UK, Sainsbury's, and Tesco Distribution. Network of the Year, sponsored by Burnt Tree Contract Hire, APC Overnight, John Lewis Partnership, and Palletways. Partnership Award, sponsored by Bandvolk Group, ARR Crabe Transport with Pallet Line, Siva Logistics with BMW Group, MAN Truck and Bus, Renault, Nissan and Suzuki. The Lead Haulier Forum with UPM. Mini Clipper Logistics with Nexans Logistics. And Palletways with Walker's Transport. Repair and Maintenance Workshop of the Year, sponsored by Total UK, HRVS Group, Nestle UK, Pelican Engineering Company and Pullman Fleet Services. Safety in Operation Award, sponsored by Contract Vehicles, BOC, DHL Supply Chain, Pallet Line, Tesco Stores and Travis Perkins. Service to Industry Award, sponsored by GT Tyre UK. This is a special award for the individual who's made an outstanding contribution to the road transport industry in the past 12 months. There is no shortlist. The winner will be revealed at the award ceremony. Team of the Year. HR Mobilization Team of GeoAmy PECS. Project Zeus Team of Norbert Dontresangle Transport Services. Network Services Team of Pallet Line. Palletways Birmingham. Project Team of Palex Group. Transport Development Team of Travis Perkins. Training Award, sponsored by APC Overnight, Carlsberg UK, JW Suckling Transport, Pallet Force and Royal Mail. Transport Manager of the Year, sponsored by Tacodisc, David Cook of Fowler Welsh, Brian Coleman of Hargreaves Logistics, Chris Humphreys of Grow Continental, Glenn Williams of ALD Logistics. So that's it for the Motor Transport 2013 shortlist. Congratulations to everyone who made the list and special thanks to all of those who took the time to enter. The winners will be revealed at the Motor Transport Awards ceremony on the 3rd of July at the Grosvenor House, London. See you there.
Thank you, Peter. So, Adam, which categories and finalists stand out for you?
The pallet networks are well represented this year, with Pallet Line and Palletways both up for 3 awards. Pallet Line picked up Network of the Year last year. This time, it's Palletways on the shortlist.
Excellent. The Haulier of the Year is always a really hard-fought category, and as the chairman of the panel this year, I can tell you we really struggled to separate the top 2 contenders.
The supermarkets are also well represented, Steve. Tesco up for 3 awards and Sainsbury's up for 2. Now we're up against each other in Fleet Engineer, but we're also up against 2 local authority engineers as well.
Should be an interesting battle. There is of course no shortlist for the Service to Industry Award, but I'm sure that the winner, chosen by 4 previous recipients of that award, will prove popular when it's announced on the big night. Okay, thank you very much indeed, Adam. Now don't forget, all the winners are announced on the 3rd of July, the biggest night in the road transport calendar, so see you there.